Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the brother printer driver, download and install, and how to connect your printer. So model number is DCP-T820DW. Okay, so open any browser and search to Google search box like that, and this first link support.brother.com. This is a officially website, so you can download. Okay, so click on it. So different OS also there, Mac, Linux, mobile, and almost installations process very simple. Okay, then click the Windows 11, Windows 10 32-bit also there, 64-bit also there, server also there, all server. And in the Windows this all the operating system same installations. After that click on it. Okay, then this is easy method, easy setup to install full package. And okay, yeah, this is full package software with package, all the software and driver included. If you, so this is a very simple setup, printer driver scanner driver only. Okay, this is exact, just click on it, then click on agree and download. After that it will start downloading 48.6 MB. And then this is downloaded, and this is location file, and just right click to copy and paste. After that, in the desktop, just right click to run as administrator, otherwise open. So this will extract like that, and it will complete, and this is extracted. Okay, and then on your printer and connect your desktop laptop to your via your printer cable to your printer, and then click to start and go to setting, then Bluetooth device, printer and scanners, and then click on add device. So you have to wait 5 seconds, because after this seconds 5 seconds it will show. Then last local device, next, next, have disk, browse. So this is the desktop folder created, extract driver, open this and select the INF file. Okay, and then click to OK. Okay, okay, then find out 820DW. This is your printer. Next, next. Now this is installing the driver, completed. Next, finish. So this is your printer is installed, and after that it's 100% required restart both your printer and your system also.